Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Payoneer to your website. We will cover the essential steps to integrate this powerful payment solution, allowing you to receive funds globally with ease. Offering multiple payment options can significantly enhance your customer experience and expand your business reach. This guide will help you set up a secure and efficient payment gateway, ensuring smooth transactions for everyone involved. Before linking, it is crucial to ensure your Payoneer account is completely set up and verified. Navigate to the Receive Payments section within your Payoneer dashboard to find your specific receiving account details. Understanding the different payment methods available, such as local bank transfers or global payment service options, will prepare you for seamless integration with your website. Integrating Payoneer with your website involves choosing the right method. For many platforms, dedicated plugins or extensions are available, simplifying the process significantly. Alternatively, developers can use Payoneer's robust API for custom integrations, offering greater flexibility. Remember to configure your payment settings carefully, specifying accepted currencies and any transaction limits to match your business needs. After integration, conducting thorough test transactions is absolutely essential. Make several small payments through your website to ensure everything works as expected, from the customer's checkout experience to the funds appearing in your Payoneer account. Once you are confident in the setup, you can proudly launch this new payment option, providing your customers with another convenient way to pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.